me on his chest.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do with this chest rock, Todd. I'm okay. The acid broke my foot.
Rob? Your face. It's not all gross anymore.
You know me, Julie. Got some pureed jellyfish injected into my brow, tighten things right up.
Where's Maurice?
Maurice who?
Not funny, Rob.
I'm sorry, Julie. I don't know any Maurice. Maury, you know Maurice?
Never heard of him.
There is a Maurice, and he was my best friend and royal advisor.
Julie, I'm your best friend and royal advisor.
What? Since when?
Since I jumped out of that cake on your uncle's birthday and scared him to death.
But he survived that.
No, I was there. Totally dead. I made the dream catcher out of his head.
What's with my kingdom?
Looks like Monday to me.
Monday? Why isn't anyone working? Who is picking the mangoes?
Monday is a holiday. Just like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and second Sunday.
Second Sunday?
You added an 8th day because you said 7 days off wasn't enough.
I tried to make that change years ago, but Maurice...
Once again, Maurice who? Look, buddy, because of me, what King Julien wants, King Julien gets. Public transportation? Check. Laugh track inside toilet hut? Check. You know I can never say no to you, and neither can anyone else in the kingdom. It's the law. Just remember who the handsome one is. Okay.
Okay, Julien, check it. This is clearly a dream where your kingdom is the most off-the-hizzy party kingdom ever because no one ever says no to you.
Wow, this is a good dream.
No, this is a bad dream. A horrible dream! There should always be someone to say no to you. You know how dangerous you are when you're left unattended? How did this happen?
Maurice, this is what my destiny would have been without him.
We gotta figure out something to snap you out of this dream so you can find Maurice. I got it. You need to find someone to punch you.
Hold up, little me. How will someone punching me get me out of this dream?
It'll jolt you back to reality, I think. I don't know, it's dream logic. If talking to a miniature version of yourself was standing on your brain, go with it.
But I'm king. Who would dare punch the king?